Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best home treadmill that are available on the market for their true quality.
Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 5, we have the Soul Fitness F80 Folding Treadmill. Coming in with consistently high rankings across all categories, treadmill shoppers are no stranger to the Soul F80. Great news for big families, the unit sports a maximum user weight of 375 pounds and has a rock-solid warranty. Soul has a reputation for service. Another big plus is the Cushion Flex Whisper Deck, reducing joint impact by 40%. Some of the Soul F80's stellar highlights include a roomy 22 inches by 60 inches running deck suitable for all the family, a commercial standard 3.5 HP motor which can support running and walking, and a power incline up to 15% to sculpt your lower body. For entertainment and workout stats tracking, a 9 inches LCD display with 10 preset programs diversify your training. To further your entertainment options, you get a built-in tablet holder to dock your device and Bluetooth connectivity for audio and stats tracking. Soul recently launched a brand new connected fitness experience powered by the popular Studio app. This integration takes the at-home workout to new levels of social engagement with professionally led workouts complete with real-time data. Like to monitor your fitness progress? You can track your stats through the free Soul Fitness app and sync this workout data to your favorite fitness app like Fitbit, Record, or Apple Health. The F80 caters to a range of fitness abilities and types of training, so it's a solid option to bring home for all the family to enjoy. Moving on at number 4, we have the Horizon Fitness 7.4 at Studio Series Smart Treadmill. If you are looking for a home treadmill that supports interactive training but doesn't break the bank, check out the Horizon 7.4 at. It puts an unlimited variety of interactive training options at your fingertips. When different family members hop onto the machine, they can tune into their preferred interactive training app rather than being closed into one option. So, how does it work? Although it's a bring-your-own-tech treadmill, so you have to connect your own tablet or smartphone for interactive training, this is actually a good call on Horizon's part when it comes to value and versatility. Not only does it keep the cost down as you are using your own screen, but it also means you can tune into any fitness app including the Peloton app on your own device. When using a third-party app such as Peloton, Daily Burn, or Active on the 7.4 at, it's worth noting you won't be able to see your real-time stats on screen. You can connect the 7.4 at to the free AFG Pro Fitness app to control your treadmill from your tablet and monitor your stats from there, but the third-party apps don't interface with the treadmill. Although you won't have access to your real-time stats during the workout program on your screen, this is a sacrifice we're willing to make for the affordable price and the fact that you're not restricted to one app for interactive training. As well as unlimited interactive streaming options, which Horizon offers discounts on. Other highlights include an easy-to-fold frame, powerful 3.5 HP motor which can keep pace with interval training, a roomy 60 by 22 inches track, Bluetooth heart rate monitoring, and preset programs including Sprint 8 HIIT training program. You get a lot of bang for your buck with the Horizon 7.4 at, especially if you and the rest of your household members want to try a variety of interactive training apps. At number 3, we have the Soul F63 Treadmill. Looking for a top-quality walking treadmill under $1,000? The Soul F63 is a solid choice that comes with a stellar warranty to match. The warranty itself demonstrates the brand's confidence in the machine and includes lifetime coverage on the frame and motor, 3 years on the parts, deck, and electronics, and 1 year on labor. At just $999, the Soul F63 offers a range of commercial-grade treadmill components. These include a 2-ply belt designed for durability, advanced deck cushioning to reduce the impact of your routines, 2.5 track rollers, and a heavy-duty motor. There aren't any flashy high-tech extras on the F63 such as a big touchscreen, but you are guaranteed durability, quality, and enough workout programming and stats tracking capabilities to keep you motivated and challenged. The Soul F63 features a 3.0 chp motor that supports up to 15% incline, a roomy 60 inches running surface, wireless heart rate monitoring capability, and 10 onboard training programs to diversify your training. You can keep on top of your stats on the F63's 6.5 inches LCD. It works with Soul's free fitness app for stats tracking and data sharing, allowing you to sync your data to your favorite fitness apps. At number 2, we have the NordicTrack Commercial Incline Treadmill. Incline training is a great way to sculpt your lower body and diversifying your workout routine. If you're looking for a treadmill that supports incline training while keeping you entertained, check out the X22i by NordicTrack. It can hit a remarkable incline of 40% and 6% decline, taking your training up a notch beyond what many other treadmills on the market offer. As you're watching IFIT routines on the 22 inches Smart HD touchscreen, with a free 30 days IFIT family membership, the incline and decline will automatically change in line with the Google Maps trail or IFIT workout you're tuned into. With this dramatic incline, it's a truly immersive and entertaining workout experience. Other highlights include a powerful 3.6 chp motor, IFIT Bluetooth chest strap for wireless heart rate monitoring, and Bluetooth audio capabilities. The X22i offers total body training, so it's good for a home treadmill as you are essentially getting to train your full body with one machine. If you're looking for an immersive and motivating way to start incline training at home, the X22i won't disappoint. And finally at number 1, we have the WalkingPad R2 Treadmill Running and Walking Folding Treadmill. The WalkingPad comes recommended by strategist contributor Brittany Brown, who rounded up the best under desk treadmills. Its folding capability and relatively slim size makes it an effective walking treadmill, great for casual exercises and pairing with standing desks. I could pretty much do any work task imaginable on this, Brown writes. Because the belt speed is slower compared to other models on this list, and because the frame is less substantial, this isn't a treadmill designed for running. Brown also notes one trade-off with the folding construction: you can feel the line in the belt where it folds. It didn't exactly bother me while walking on it, in shoes or barefoot, but those used to working out on treadmills may find it distracting.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.